You have to make it back now.
You want to do it then?
Is it tricky?
I think it's kind of fun.
It's a Magnifico day.
I'd say the girls run across this.
Probably. But they're not wearing little wellies. Did you hear that English gentleman commenting on your bum? You missed him, did you?
Don't make me laugh.
You're going to fall in. He was very impressed.
Stop.
Say hi.
Charlie.
What did Charlie think of you?
Sure.
He's not a bit impressed.